Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, here we go, working on the other hand that is totally going to match. We're still working with the Vrenmol Polygel, and I'm just going to go ahead and form this up. I'm not going to make you watch me form them all, just this one. Honestly, I still think I need to work on my form placement, because I feel like not always do my nails match perfectly. So I'm really going to focus on that for 2021, getting my shaping down and getting my form placement correct. So now we're coming in with that pretty one that was really clear. It's, I don't have them all in front of me. It'll be listed in the section below. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a quick nail with that. And then we are going to add a little something to that in a second. So speaking of 2021, I know it's really hard to make plans right now or to put too much goals in front of you when things are so crazy. So I'm not going to ask what are your goals for 2021, but what are you hoping to improve about yourself in 2021? And I really do want to improve my skill at sculpting. So look forward to a lot more sculpting videos. I also want to improve my hand painting. So that's not going to be the only focus. Of course, I love stamping and I want to get better at lining those up and things like that. So definitely going to work to improve. Now, what I've done is take some of the glitter gel, a different glitter gel that's purple and not clear, and just sort of take that tool and shove it in there. I wasn't even very gentle with it. I just spread it out and then sort of pressed it into the clear, of course, while it's still wet, so that it doesn't completely file away and I'm able to shape it back into the shape that I want. But when you do that, of course, there's going to be some moments where maybe you push it a little too much and it gets into your sidewall or what have you. So make sure you check your shaping before you pop it in the lamp. And now on this pinky, on the index finger, I'm going to do something a little different. I just wanted a two-tone nail. I wasn't thinking exactly half and half or anything, just a two-tone nail. And so I put the two colors down and started to spread out the nail, and I let the polygel dictate how it ended up looking. And I actually am pretty pleased with it. I kind of at first thought maybe I would try to make it a little more of a straighter line. But honestly, I feel like that looks more like something that would naturally happen if you like when you look at a rock that maybe is part of a mountain range or something, or you look at a hill and you can see where there's two different distinct types of stones sort of melded together. I kind of like how that is represented in that nail, so I just went with it. Now on this one, I'm going to do something almost exactly the same thing. We're going to go a different direction. I'm just going to put this little blob. This one's the flicker jelly, and between it and the clear one, I can't decide which one's my favorite because they both have that very iridescent quality to them that I really, really love. Now I'm coming in with the glitter purple, and we're just going to go ahead and press that in and make sure that they connect and that it all goes right where it needs to on the sidewall there. And then we're going to put the clear at the tip. And I'm going to say I have really evolved in my affinity for clear tipped nails. I used to really hate them, like hate them. But as I've started to experiment more, I've really come to love a clear tipped nail. And I love that you can really do so much with that look. So definitely look forward to a lot more clear tipped nails as well. Now on this one, we are going to do a marble, but we're going to just start a little bit of a different way than we normally do. Normally I would do this on the palette, but I thought, why not use my nail as the palette? So I'm just coming in and giving it a tiny bit of a stir. You don't want to go crazy with that, or you just come with a new color. I mean, it would be a new color of purple and it would be gorgeous, but it wouldn't have the marbling and the variegation in color there that you want when you do that kind of thing. And now I'm just pressing everything into place, not trying to move the marble too much, just making it conform to a nail shape that I like. And as you guys know, I don't normally match, but since I'm going to be in Vegas for a couple weeks, I really wanted my nails to match, which if you look back at last year, right about the time that the lockdowns happened, I did matching nails because I was going to Vegas to visit my family and I wanted them to match, and I'm pretty sure they were purple as well, so I love purple. So I'm just perfecting my shaping here, and then we're going to pop that bad boy in the lamp. And then the pinky nail, come on, let's pop that bad boy in the lamp. Come on, let's go. There we go. And the pinky is again coming in with that clear. So we really did lean heavily into the clear this time because we have a clear tip on the middle finger, we have a clear thumb, and now we have a clear pinky. And with this, we're going to do very similar where we just add a little bit of a vein of color coming down the middle. So it's very similar to the thumb while still kind of having its own little flavor. It's got its own thing going on. So just perfecting that, making it nice. Oh, look, it's nice. It's nice. There we go. I like it. I like to smooth backwards because it really does, like, getting it from different angles just sort of really makes a nice smooth surface, I think. Just my personal opinion. And now we're coming in with the tiniest bit of that flicker jelly. And I'm sorry I went off camera a little bit right there. And now we're just tapping that in and making sure that it flows together with the nail. Ooh, I struggle with my pinkies. Let me know in the comment section, what's your hardest nail to do on yourself? My thumbs and my pinkies are literally the hardest, and everything else is pretty much the same. Like, everything else is pretty good. Now, mirroring what we did on the other side, but with a different shade of gold, as the other hand is more of a bronzy, orangey, bronzy gold color. This is more of a straight up actual gold color. And we're just gonna add a little shine to an already shiny nail. But I don't know, I just think it looks really great. Sorry that the camera got a little unfocused there. I didn't notice that when I was editing. Maybe I didn't have my glasses on. That would explain it. And then we're gonna add some to this nail as well. I don't know why the footage for the index finger is gone. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I must have not recorded that. Oh, goodness, guys. I've got so many videos in the works, it's hard to remember everything. As I'm trying really hard to get as much up on the channel as I can so that there's not too much while I'm gone where there's nothing for you. So my mind is just full of different videos and editing, and this video's here and that video's there, and oh, I need pictures for this, and oh, I haven't finished that, and oh my goodness. So forgive me that somewhere that footage is lost, or maybe I didn't take it. I just honestly don't remember. So now we're just going to come in and hit this with some top coat. Oh, and I didn't mention, I just put that gold leaf foil stuff into a base coat. So I just put down a base coat and then put it on there and cured it. So that's as simple as that. No hard with that. All easy. All easy. Oh, look at how that top coat makes that shine, that color shift from the purple to the like green bluish tealy color. Oh! Here's the finished set, guys. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. And be sure to let me know, what are you working toward this year? What is 2021 going to bring in your life? Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.